Today's session is we'll be talking to one of our coaches of HNTP, Holistic Nutrition Training Program, Shika Kotari. She is a master's in nutrition, food science and nutrition. She is one of the very first students of this particular course, and she is seeing amazing results for the past 6 7 months. And I thought of like people should know how holistic nutrition is able to help them, right? And she has been practicing for almost like 10 years now, and we are going to hear shortly from her. And before that, a couple of acknowledgements. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for taking out time on a Sunday. And I know things are not quite okay outside, and still you are able to take out time, your precious time. Thank you for attending. And the second one is I would like to thank my wife, who is a dietitian, professional dietitian, and from whom I learned my little bit nutritional knowledge. And the third, my mentors at NEP, Dr. Vishal and Teji. And I mean, I remember listening to their one of their NEP webinars, wherein like you work on your strength, and if you're good at something, make it as a what you say, a parallel source of income, or like, yeah, create a parallel source of income and contribute to the society. So I love teaching a lot, and they helped me. I mean, they motivated me, I would rather say. They motivated me to look into my strengths, and this is how HNDP has come into being. So I'm grateful to both of them. And I still continue to sign up for their programs, whatever they are. I am there in Lit 30, and I'm there in NEP Freedom, all 3 seasons, right? So this is it. And coming to me, I'm a medical doctor, but I've been practicing nutrition for almost like 18 years now. So I did my MBBS and completed it in 2002 itself. But since 2004, I've been practicing nutrition because I believe that dietitians can create a lot of impact. So this is my organization, Dr. Jean Clinics, medical colleges, whatnot, and I've been a teacher. So today's agenda is quite simple. Only 3-point agenda. What is the difference between clinical nutrition and holistic nutrition? And we'll be talking mostly about Shika's success, and in the end, how do we become a holistic nutrition practitioner? This is by Hippocrates, almost like 2 million years back. He said, I would rather see what kind of a person has a disease than what kind of a disease a person has. I would like to focus on this particular statement. I would rather see what kind of a person has a disease rather than what kind of a disease a person has. What does he mean by that? I mean, what did he mean by that? So now these are the times of corona pandemic, right? And we know the community spread is everywhere. Every one of us are exposed, isn't it? How many of you believe that every one of us are exposed? Right? There is no denying the fact that all of us are exposed. But in few people, the disease is expressed. That means the virus is able to grow. And in few people, very few people, out of 100 people who got infected, 99% of the people, 99 people, 99 out of 100, they have come back unscathed. Okay, only 1% of the people, they are succumbing to this particular virus. What does it say? That though the virus is same, the person's ability to fight the disease is different. So in the first wave, we saw that people who are old, having comorbidities like long-standing diabetes or uncontrolled diabetes, other lifestyle diseases, they are the people who succumbed to this corona. But here, in the second wave, the people who are in their 40s and 30s are also getting serious with their condition. And again, if you look into their condition, it is their panic, right? And the associated comorbidities. Whatever the treatment the doctors are giving, they are not killing the virus, because no virus can be killed, because it is lifeless. Virus has life only when it enters the cell and starts using our DNA to replicate itself. So virus is inanimate. It is a connecting link between life and non-life. Got it? So it is just like a sugar molecule. Can you say a sugar molecule has a life? No. So that's simply the protein and the RNA molecule that is there in virus is lifeless. So it is impossible to kill the disease. So what the doctors are trying to do in the hospital is a simple thing. Okay, they are trying to prevent the complications of the infection, right? Our body's immune system is not strong enough. It is going hyper, and that hyperimmune response is what is creating this opaque glass appearances in the lung and forming the exudates and collapsing the lungs and inability to breathe. What does it tell? It is not the virus that is important, it is not the infection that is important, but it is the person. As a dietitian, what I strongly believe in is, because we deal with food that people eat, if we can correct that particular aspect of having a balanced diet and help them come out of unhealthy eating habits, so that is more important. So holistic nutrition will not look just at a clinical condition. And close to 100 coaches in our class as of today, they all, by now, they have come to a conclusion, they have come to an understanding and practicing the first principle that there is no diabetes diet, there is no arthritis diet, there is no nothing like hypertensive diet, or no keto diet, or no intermittent fasting, or nothing like that. Those are our formulations. They are mimicking the allopathic practice of giving a medication. What we do is, yes, we do follow the scientific principles that are supposed to be followed when giving a diet plan for a diabetes patients. We follow the scientific process, but at the same time, we give equal importance to the person who has diabetes. And how much do we know? Right? It is not just looking at the sugar levels, HbA1c, and urine sugars and urine proteins, and looking at his height, weight. No, we don't just look at the data. We look into the person, who he is, and why did he get that diabetes in the first place. We try to understand that particular person, and there is a process to it. And how do we read that particular person? This is what defines holistic nutrition is. Okay, so clinical nutrition is part of holistic nutrition, but at the same time, there is an extension of reading a person, reading your client is also part of this particular practice. Shika, thank you very much for doing this, and your story should inspire a lot of aspiring dietitian, dietetic students, and those who are already into clinical nutrition. And I hope it will add some value to their practice. So before we start with the questions, just give a brief introduction about you, your qualification and your education. Where are you from? Your family?
Okay. First of all, good evening, everyone, and hopes everybody is doing fine. Okay, in this pandemic. So basically, my name is Shikha Kothari. I am from Maharashtra. I did my BSc and MSc in Food Science and Nutrition, and I have 12 plus year experience. And I always been practicing in the health industries only. And presently, I belong to Baroda, Gujarat, and I attached to many organization also, working with them as a part time and doing freelancing.
Yeah, Shikha, my first question is, I mean, you joined in this June batch, right?
Yes.
When I did this 3 days mini course, free mini course in the month of June.
Yeah.
And you choose, I mean, among other people like Shilpa and Ravneet, there's so many people who joined, right? Padma, all of them, they joined in the first batch itself.
Yes.
And when you joined, I mean, I didn't have even the course also with me ready. Okay, you joined on 30th of June, I think, and we started our class 2 weeks later, right?
Yes.
July 17th or July 16th.
11th
Okay.
of July we started our
11th
course.
of July, right, 11th of July. So what made you to take up this particular course? What was,
Okay.
I mean, what was your idea of holistic nutrition? Why did you take it up?
Yeah. Earlier, I used to heard too much time this holistic nutritionist, holistic nutritionist. I was confused. What is this holistic nutrition? Frankly speaking, I joined one holistic dietitian also. But when I joined her this thing program, I could not find much difference. I was like, she is counseling like us only. So what is the difference between holistic nutrition and normal nutrition? She's telling the same. She's treating the people the way we are treating the people from last 10 to 12 years. So what is the difference? Maybe due to the for the fashion this thing she's just adding that holistic nutrition, so it should look like nice. But after 15 days, I saw your 3 days mini course. That is 3 days mini course, 2 hours
Yeah.
each day. And I was like, let's see what is there in this course. Then I joined that mini course, and at the without without thinking second time, I literally paid for it, because the you explained the things in holistic nutrition. I was like, we could not learn all this thing in our MSc. Wherever you go in India, wherever you go in your holistic, or wherever you go in world for nutrition courses, you will not learn the which things we are learning in this holistic nutrition. And
Right.
that attracted. Then I came to know what is the holistic nutrition, the content which you explain in that 3 days course. Then I was like, "Nee, it is something different. It is a different level only. It is not typical lifestyle and diet." Okay. So I immediately joined this course. It is something different. It is not only lifestyle and diet. If lifestyle and diet is so effective, then Google and that YouTube, Google and Facebook diet is enough, right?
Right.
But it is not. It is beyond lifestyle and beyond diet. So that's
Sure.
why I joined this course.
Thank
Through
you.
you, I came to know what is holistic nutrition. Earlier, I was like, I don't know what is there in holistic nutrition, because I have seen dietitian who are putting that holistic nutrition. That's why I intentionally joined their program. But I
Right.
could not find the difference in their practice in my practice. So that attracted me, the content of 3 mini days course.
Sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you so much. And one thing that I'm itching to ask you is that your overseas success story, because when you narrated what happened in Dasara vacation and before Diwali, you have all the clients from Australia. How
Yes.
did it happen? And how did your holistic approach help you in that?
Okay. This started in September, sir. We
Okay.
started program in July first week, and in
Right.
September first week, I got one client from Australia through reference only. So
Hmm.
they are like, "Ki chalo, join the Indian dietitian," because they find foreign dietitians are costlier like than Indians. So they are like, "Ki India ki dietitian ko join kar lo." So I was like, "Ki chalo, whatever I am learning, let's apply on her." Because we
Hmm.
just completed 2 months, not even 2 months, 1.5
Yes.
month only we completed.
Right.
So I was like, "Ki, chalo, whatever I'm learning, just learning is not enough. We have
Hmm.
to apply our knowledge."
Hmm.
So whatever I learned in this 1 month, I
Hmm.
started applying on her, because she
Right.
was highly depressed,
Hmm.
highly negative, and she
Hmm.
was having thyroid, and
Hmm.
she was frustrated with weight loss programs.
Hmm.
So I was like, it was quite difficult for me also, but
Hmm.
I started applying this holistic principle which I have learned in last 1.5 months. And she told
Right.
me, I'll join for a month. I'll
Hmm.
see the result, and then I'll think of it. I was like, it's okay, and I started applying the principles of holistic nutrition which I have learned in this course.
Hmm.
And within a month, she was like, "Hey, Shikha, I want to enroll for 3 months, and I want to be with you throughout my life." I was like, why? Because I'm getting something different only.
Right.
See, losing weight is different. Earlier,
Hmm.
I'm 90 kgs, now I'm 70 kgs. We are not doing tele shopping network, right? We are
Right.
not doing tele shopping ad here. We are changing a person, we are changing a soul, and it's very difficult. Once you change the person, everything falls on their place.
Hmm.
Losing weight is enough.
Hmm.
Anybody can lose their weight. Then she went to the Diwali party. September she joined. In November there was Diwali party in their friend circle, and everybody saw and everybody was surprised.
Hmm.
Okay, you lost weight, you lost inches, but there is something different glow on your face, and your positive, your aura is so positive. Earlier
Hmm.
she was so frustrated, nobody liked to talk to her. Everybody is like, "Ki, yeah, Rima is very pathetic and she's throwing some negative aura. So better not to talk." She became very irritated.
Hmm.
So on that Diwali party, everybody was surprised. Everybody was asking her, "Ki, what you have done with your body?
Hmm.
What you have done with yourself?
Hmm.
Now we like to talk to you and you're looking very happy." So
Hmm.
that is the difference between the holistic nutrition and normal nutrition.
Right.
Till that date, I was treating people for weight loss. Now,
Okay.
after holistic nutrition, I started treating people from their core problem, from their soul,
Hmm.
right? I came to know how to treat people. We are not treating disease, we are treating the person.
Right.
The problem is in the person, not with the body. Diabetes come after the person. Okay, God has given us same body, same kidney, same liver, something, but
Hmm.
we damage it, right?
Yeah.
Through
Yeah.
our lifestyle, diet, and mentality.
Hmm.
So I have seen many people also who are following proper diet activity, but still they are not losing even a single kg. So here the problem is not diet and lifestyle. The problem is with the person. So
Mm.
in this holistic nutrition, I came to know how to treat person,
Mm.
how to go into the depth of the problem.
Right.
And everybody don't disclose easily, right? Nobody
Yeah.
disclose everything at one page. Nobody open their book. Even we don't open our book so easily in
Mm.
front of anybody. So
Mm.
why she should disclose her book in front of me? Who I am?
Mm.
But through this HNTP course, I can sensitize them so easily that
Mm.
they immediately open up their everything. Everything is everything. And after that Diwali,
Mm.
immediately 10. Now she became my brand ambassador. She
In
sent me
Australia.
10 clients immediately.
Uh,
10 clients. So see, I just treated one client,
mm.
and after that she sent me 10 clients, and
Mm.
now at every month I get one or two clients from Australia,
Wonderful. Wonderful.
because now chain has, it has become chain now.
Yes.
She has sent 10 clients, that 10 clients are sending other 10 clients.
Right.
So it has become chain now for me. So
You initiated a chain
last week also
reaction.
I got one call from Australia. She was like, Rima has given your number, and she told me directly,
Mm.
Ishika, she still has to pay for money and she still has to enroll in the next week. But she told me, Ishika, if anybody wants any dietitian, I'll give your number. I was
Mm.
like, first you enroll. So she was like, I have to confirm, yaar, but still,
Mm.
but still I'll send your number. So that is the difference. Earlier
Yeah.
people used to come, but the
Mm.
frequency was not high, the quantity was not high. And next thing is, from this course we come to know how to teach the client
Yeah.
and which type of client. Earlier what I used to think, जो आ रहा है आने दो यार, ठीक
Mm.
है यार, हर client को treat कर लेंगे. But
Mm.
this time no. If person is serious, you come to know about it.
Okay.
Whether it is person is loyal, honest or not, or just time pass. So I
Mm.
just don't entertain that client, right?
Right.
So you
Mm.
save your time, you save your money. Time is very important. If somebody is doing
And
time pass,
most
why to
importantly, effort. Effort. Your
yeah,
effort should not go waste.
yeah. So
Mm.
why to put unnecessary efforts on such people who are not serious for their life?
Mm. Excellent, wonderful, very inspiring, Shika. And one more thing, I mean, you shared so many of your client stories, but one thing I am really impressed, and the reason for me to start this particular series is about your cancer patient, right?
Yeah, that cancer patient, no? That is so.
Fourth
I am
stage.
also.
Yeah, let me give the audience the story behind it. Fourth stage, oral cancer, and lost, I mean, from 63 kgs to 47 kgs, right? And almost like 16 to 16 kgs weight loss, right? 16
Yes.
kgs weight loss. Fourth stage, not able to eat food, and there is no saliva production, exposed to radiation. The doctors have given up, and there is nobody to cook. Wife is having this particular problem. Which one? This
She is having
uh,
schizophrenia.
schizophrenia, and the cook is not coming because of corona. Despite that, within 2 weeks, you helped them gain almost like 2 kgs weight, and even the doctor is surprised, right? They have
Yes.
given up, and they asked them to count the number of weeks they have. Okay, so I mean, I got really impressed, and the way you narrated to me, I think you should also narrate the same thing, because as a dietitian, earlier, had you not done this particular course, earlier, how would your approach would have been, and now how confidently you're able to take it up, and what's the result?
Earlier, what I used to do, see, my I was not confident about my clinical part, right? I always treat the lifestyle diseases, right? Because I had not worked with doctors in
Hmm.
hospital, so definitely my clinical part is quite weak. So suddenly I got this client from reference, from friends
Hmm.
reference, and that to cancer fourth stage. And I was like, yeah, what to do? We
Hmm.
can't say no. So it is a ego problem, no? Somewhere.
Hmm.
क्या बोलेंगे कि अरे यार friend की wife dietitian होके she can't handle the cancer patient. So I was like, let him come.
Hmm.
And literally I applied holistic nutrition practice ka principle, and literally I crossed my finger and I tapped that client after every 2 to 3 days. I
Hmm.
helped them. I was like, no, yeah, nobody is there at their place, and he, I, for my surprise also, their whole family they were planning to give Ayurvedic treatment,
Hmm.
and Ayurvedic treatment is quite difficult, right? They have to
Yeah.
restrict so many food. And I was like, his main aim is to put on weight. If you
Hmm.
put him on Ayurvedic treatment, so he won't gain weight because he has to restrict milk product, curds, and a lot many things. So
Hmm.
how will you go for that? So they were like, okay, we'll give 1 month to you. You just let him. They were just expecting कि आप वजन ही बढ़ा दो इनका. कुछ नहीं
Right.
तो वजन ही बढ़ा. I was like, ठीक है. let me work on. I was like, no, I will try my best to put on his weight as well as to give strength and everything. And they could not follow even 100%. They followed only 60% diet because nobody was there at home. And to my surprise, 2 days back, his daughter called me and she was like, "Thank you very much, ma'am. My father gained 1 kg, 750 grams in 15 to 20 days, as well as he's feeling energetic. Earlier, he was used to walk with a dropping shoulder. Now he's walking with a straight shoulder.
Right.
And to my surprise, his tumor started shrinking.
Oh, tumor started shrinking.
Yes.
Yeah.
And doctor was also surprised. Doctor was also surprised. Doctor was like, "To whom you are showing this?" So they were like, "We just hired a dietitian, so she's just handling him." So he was like, "Continue with that dietitian." So I was like, "I'm seeing first doctor who is handing over his patient to the dietitian."
Excellent,
that's
excellent,
a big surprise
Shikha.
for me. Otherwise, doctor says we will handle the things. We will handle what dietitian knows. Because in India, nobody gives how to dietitian, no? Nobody consider dietitian. Okay, dietitian को क्या पता है? If dietitian is meant for weight loss and weight gain, nothing else, right? But that doctor was also surprised. Doctor was like, continue with that dietitian, and they dropped the idea for Ayurvedic treatment. I was like, okay, we'll finish 1 month, and you can go for. No, ma'am, we don't want to go for Ayurvedic treatment. We want to continue with you only. So that is the changes. Earlier, I used to scared how to take clinical patient, but now I got the confidence. अभी cancer patient ठीक किया तो बाकी के patient भी ठीक ही कर देंगे. So it's very easy.
That means, I mean, to put it in a perspective, the disease is an effect, right?
Yes.
The person is the cause. We are looking the cause of the cause. The moment you understand what is wrong with the person, once you correct it, automatically the effect will be different.
Yes.
Yes.
So here I'm just telling the same thing. You are not treating the disease, you are treating the person. Once you treat the person, disease won't touch his feet only. So treating the person is very difficult.
Right.
Okay. So which I learned from here, from HNTP.
Excellent. I mean, just to flip it, tell us about the monkeys of the group.
Our coaches, now.
Our coaches. What is the support like? I mean, the WhatsApp support. I mean, I am also part of so many training programs, right? I am also in the WhatsApp group, but I don't see this kind of noise that our coaches create in our group, and how it supported you and how it helped. I mean, about our fellow coaches.
Yes, our coaches all are like a family only. You don't feel like iske san kya karna hai, no, whether she will ask, if we ask some question, whether they will answer it not. You ask one question, you will get 10 answers for the same. Because how many people will give answer? They will have different perspective for that problem, right? So why I took this cancer patient, the main reason is I was scared, but why I took that client? Because I know I have supportive coaches. I have sir. If I can't do anything with that client, these coaches will be there with me to treat my patient. So confidently, and that support is everybody. Anytime you call them, anytime, whatever you ask them, they simply help you out. You don't feel like what is there. No, it is lifetime support. ऐसा नहीं कि बस course खत्म हो गया, सब खत्म हो गया. No, you will get constant support from everyone. Coaches are awesome. They are like a family. You don't feel like to and everybody is from different part of the country. Someone is from Kolkata, some is from Tamil Nadu, some is from Kerala, some is from Chhattisgarh, and whatever, MP, UP, Gujarat. We are all from all India gang, we can say. But awesome. People are awesome.
Another thing that you told me, that two of your clients, okay, who were, I mean, earlier with you, they don't want to renew the program and they want to cut it off. But you said you spoke to them and applied the holistic principles, right?
Yes,
so how did you convince, and how did this approach, right, helped you to retain the clients and immediately they signed up the program?
This happened first time with me. My one client just messaged me, Shikha, I don't want to continue the program. I'm just not continuing the program. So I was surprised. I was like, what happened? I immediately called her. I was like, what is the reason behind it? Why? It's your choice. You can discontinue the program, but tell me the reason. Okay, then you leave. No problem with that. Then she told me, whatever things you are giving to me, I'm not able to follow it. I was like, what I am giving you? I am giving you the normal food. So she was like, yeah, but I'm not able to follow, because then I just asked her many questions. Then slowly she opened up. What is the actual problem? Food was not problem, exercise was not problem. She was having stress. Stress of family, stress of something money, stress of something else, which generally people don't expose easily. That through this I applied the HNTP this thing principles. I was like, now before she leaves, let me treat her in a holistic perspective. Then I applied all holistic nutrition principles. Okay, and then I talked to her for 2 to 3 hours.
Right.
And then immediately she cried a lot. She opened up everything. She cried, literally cried, and she said, Shikha, now I want to tell you everything. And she spoke for 2 hours. Continuously she was crying and she was speaking, and she opened up everything about her. Then we came to know, and she felt light. That is the difference. Before HNTP, if some clients say, okay, I don't want to continue, I would have rather say, okay, if you don't want to continue, leave it. It is your way.
Chalo, tata, bye bye.
I would rather say, okay, tata, bye bye, see you. You can manage your weight by your own. But no, this time I was like, no, let me treat that client. If she is saying no, let me ask her and let me counsel her once. And that counseling effect so fast, she was like, no, I don't want to discontinue. I want to continue. I'm feeling light, and you are doing great job, and this and that. And they did not went. They just continued the program.
Wonderful, excellent. How did this course change you as a person?
Yes, it
your own personal transformation.
Yes, it is very important. I'll give you a simple example. If I have not tasted the gulab jamun, then how will I explain the taste of gulab jamun to someone?
Excellent. Wonderful.
If I have not tasted gulab jamun and I am explaining gulab jamun is round, okay, visibly we can see, but it is how it is tasted, I don't know, but I am explaining its taste. So same thing. First, you have to apply all this holistic nutrition process on ourselves. If I am calm, then I can treat other person. If I am positive, then I can give the positivity to the person. If I am negative, if I am having negativity, I have negative aura, then definitely I'll attract negative person only.
Right.
So first I've changed a lot my thinking process. I used to do hallucination a lot. I used to talk to myself in alone. But after doing this course, it has been decreased a lot. And my perception towards everything changed totally.
Right.
So there was not problem with the person, there was problem with me. So first I cured myself. Okay. And once I cured myself, I can see my thing at different level only. Right. Yesterday also one client told me, madam, he spoke to this place. I have not told you, sir, but yesterday only I got one more client. I did not know he was from sales and marketing department, and he was talking to me, and he already talked to 4 dietitians. Then he was like, I was not convinced with anyone else. Then I just talked to him. Then within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, what he told me, ma'am, बात करते करते मैंने decide कर लिया कि मुझे आपके साथ ही program करना है. So I was like, पूरी बात सुनो, but I have decided, ma'am, सुबह से मैं 4 dietitian से बात कर चुका हूँ. But I am convinced I am going to continue program with you only. And next thing is, I am marketing and sales marketing person. So I was like, then I'll circulate your number to everyone because I have good network. And that is the thing. That is the change, because just by talking you can increase your footfalls. I need not to put that much of efforts because I have changed now. Right. My positive aura went to that client.
Yes.
And that positivity attracted him towards me. So that is the positivity has changed.
You are not getting not only clients, Shikha, but brand ambassadors for you.
Yeah.
Free of cost.
People are just, I'm getting more client than reference. I have not got even a single client from social media ads, frankly speaking. I'm just putting ads, but I'm not getting any client from social media, not Facebook, nothing. But you have to do it. No problem. But I'm getting more clients from this collaboration. And now people are like to collaborate with me. They are running behind me.
Yeah, yesterday also you did one, right?
Also, they're like, madam, trainers are like, madam, we'll work in collaboration. Why we need to work in collaboration? Because I have changed myself. So people are getting attracted. Now 2 to 3 trainers from my gym, they're like, ma'am, we'll plan some program and we'll work together and we'll collaborate and we'll share the percentage. Yeah. Automatically.
Hmm.
So once you change yourself, everything will fall prey to yourself.
Right.
Sab aayega. Just wait and watch. Change yourself. Don't blame the people. Earlier I used to blame the people, but now I don't.
Now you don't.
No, I don't. I see
Wonderful.
myself now
Yeah.
where
I
I'm
mean,
going wrong.
yeah. So, I mean, have you, I mean, just you mentioned a collaboration. So we did a couple of sessions on collaboration as well, right? On our Monday Live. And I'm very happy to see that. I mean, Dhanya and Ravati, they started, I mean, both are Tamil, they started, but in English, they started this Spice of Life something, some YouTube channel, right? They have come together, identified their strength, they started doing videos. And our Mayuri, Govind, and Harpriya, they
Yes.
started this PCOD program. And even today, three of our coaches, Shilpa, Richa, and Jyoti, along with five other from NEP, they started this NutriCovin for COVID patients. So a lot of collaborations are happening. I mean, people nowadays, the coaches in our group, they are not feeling competitive, right? And they
Yes.
are not worried about, I mean, they are relishing the success of other dietitians, right?
Yes.
Each one is complementing each other's strength, and
Yes.
they're able to come together. That collaborative spirit is something that I'm seeing, and we have a long way to go. Got it? I mean, Vishal in NEP classes also always says the same thing, right? You need to collaborate. I mean, you have a lot to offer to the society. And my vision for this is dietitians are going to be the next GPs, general practitioners. Any health problem, they should first visit dietitian, and dietitians are going to refer to the specialist doctors, not the other way around, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Totally right, sir.
Yeah.
I'm experiencing it. I'm
Mm,
surprised that doctor said continue with the dietitian. That is a big feather on our cap,
yes.
dietitian community. If
Mm,
doctor is sending clients to the dietitian and saying patient continue with dietitian only,
mm.
that is a big thing for us.
So
Yeah.
what do you think is the difference? I mean, as I said earlier, I am also part of the different courses, and you also joined so many courses after that. And Saili, whenever she want to join any course, she will call me, sir, should I take this course or not? No, Saili, I am also taking that particular course, then she will join. So my question to you is, how different is this HNTP compared to other programs that you did and
Yeah.
other programs that dietitians are doing?
See, when we join other, I have joined too many programs, but they we have collaboration for particular time period. पैसा भरो, course complete करो, खत्म.
Hmm.
Okay, whatever how to apply and or nothing, they will not tell you anything. They will just complete their course. Whatever money you have paid, we are completing this course and tata bye bye, see you. These are the hard copies of the notes or soft copies of the notes PDF they are sending. That's all. But in this course, it is not like that. Sir is working so hard, and just see, imagine, sir is telling us how to apply it. If I am get confused, if so many clients are referred to the, I ask many problems to the sir. Sir, this client has come. I don't know how to treat him. Medically, I can treat him, but psychologically, I don't know how to treat him psychologically. Psycho-emotional problem, I don't know how to treat that person. So, sir used to help me. You can ask this, you can, and then sir used to put that question in front of other coaches also. Then everybody put their efforts for one client. And these I'm seeing first time in any of the courses. I have joined too many courses, but उनका सफर उतना ही था. जितने दिन का कोर्स था उतने दिन का सफर कोर्स खत्म सफर खत्म. Everything is finished. Who are you then after that?
Hmm.
Okay, here is not like that. I still remember all coaches. We are in personal touch. Many coaches we are in personal touch, and we can ask any question regarding our problem, regarding our client problem, and it is a lifetime collaboration. In other courses, I have not seen lifetime collaboration. That is for time being period.
Hmm.
So it is totally different course, and it's very, and sir said how to apply. If suppose I did XYZ course, they are not saying me how to apply this course. हमने कोर्स तो कर लिया, लेकिन अप्लाई कैसे करना है, यूज कैसे करना है, हमारे पास मटेरियल है,
Hmm.
लेकिन अप्लाई कैसे करना है, वी डोंट नो, सिर्फ पढ़ के रखा है. बट हियर सर इज टीचिंग अस हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट नॉलेज.
Hmm.
एंड हु टीच ऑल दिस, हु टेक दैट मच ऑफ एफर्ट्स?
Hmm.
नोबडी. मतलब कि बता दिया ना, नाउ यू डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. हियर इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. How
Okay.
to apply, how to see
Hmm.
whether we are applying. That's why I told you my first client,
Hmm.
whatever I have learned in a 1 month, I started applying on her.
Hmm.
And that's why I got too many clients from her.
Right.
See, I need not to wait for a course for 1 year कि चलो खत्म हो जाएगा कोर्स उसके बाद हम करेंगे. No, no, no.
No, since you brought this up, I have a tricky question for you. Once your 1 year is over, are you going to resume or revive your subscription?
Yes, of course. Now I am your lifetime student. I don't want to lose. I'm your lifetime student. First and last, whatever courses you launch, everybody Shikha is in because it is totally different. I would say ki whatever I have learned, now I'm just earlier I used to join too many courses, 2 days course, 3 days course. Whenever Zoom has come na in April or May, it was a Zoom ka barsat pura, har jagah meeting. My husband used to say, "What you are writing this number?" I'm writing meeting ID number and password, meeting ID number and password. Everywhere I used to write that number. Then once I joined this course, now then I decided I'm not going to join any other courses. For only 2 to 3 courses I'm concentrating on. From that, one number is that holistic nutrition program, and apart from that, 2 more courses I'm concentrating. That's all.
Yeah.
But ultimately, major part is 90% is HNTP only. It is helping me a lot rather than whatever courses I have done. From that 90%, whatever the efforts I'm getting from sir, whatever the learning I'm getting from this course is maximum than any other courses which I've learned.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So one last question from my side. So do you think that you recovered your investment on this particular course? And
long back. Whatever I've spent, I earned 20 times more than that. Whatever I've spent, people are saying, oh, 9,000 is too much, oh, 15,000 is too much. I'm giving you a challenge. I recovered my money within a month. Within a month, I have recovered that my money, and other thing is extra. I've earned 10 times more whatever I've spent within 4 to 5 months, and still I am earning. Still I am earning. Still people are coming in.
Yeah.
Earlier I used to say कि नहीं discount नहीं देना है. Now this time I started giving discount and considering because people are coming. They are like कि मैडम हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. COVID situation है, धंधा मंदा है. So I literally gave them discount. No, it's a practical problem. People want to spend on their health, but it's a practical problem. Their shutter is down. Textile industry is totally closed. Okay, many industries are just closed, so they don't have money. So at that time, I am not thinking कि नहीं मैं भी तो business कर रही हूँ. I was like, I give discount. I literally helping them. I'm literally doing the course, this program for minimum amount. I was like, let me start to karo. So now I'm not thinking that money. Always you can't think of money. You just give good things. Good things will come towards you. Now this attitude has changed after this HNTP. Earlier I used to say नहीं इतना पैसा है तो इतना ही लूंगी. Now I don't think so. I was like, just good things will come back to you. Life is like a boomerang, no? Whatever you throw, that will come back to you.
Boomerang. Excellent. Thank you so much, Shikha. I mean, I hope all of you enjoyed discussion with Shikha. Yes, the floor is open for discussion now.
Sir, can I speak?
Yeah, Priya, go ahead.
Priya. Sir, it was a wonderful session. All the time, this 30 minutes, I was all smiling, looking at what you are doing and ma'am is doing. So I have one question. How have you managed that cancer patient with so many of problems, especially the problems which was there with no cooking, and how you counsel that, his wife especially. How you did? I'm really curious to know.
Okay, that cancer patient now. First thing is I just used to talk to him at every 2 to 3 days. Okay, so see, human connection is very important. I can't be, and frankly speaking, I never treat my client as a patient. Okay, I always used to be very friendly with them. Okay, once you get friendly with them, and once you connect with the people, so whatever you say to them, they will blindly follow it.
Yeah, right.
After every 2 to 3 days, I used to call that sir. He is 63, 64 years old. So I used to call him. I used to talk with him. I used to find him, sir, aapko kya holistic principle, whatever sir is giving, forgiveness and their happiness, their depth of problem, then their history. I was just talking so casually with him. So he was so convinced. He was started considering me as a ma'am, aap mere well wisher ho. Aap jo bhi doge, main khaunga. So see, eating food is not important. With what emotions you are eating that food is very important. Wonderful. So I worked on his emotions. खाना तो बहुत बाद में आया, लेकिन I worked with his emotions. पहले तो मैंने उनके साथ emotional connection बनाया.
Wonderful. Yes.
इमोशनल कनेक्शन बनाने के लिए मुझे कन्विंस करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. Whatever I was getting, he was like, मैडम मैं तो नहीं भी जाता था ना, तो मैं तो दवाई बोल के पी लेता था. See, positive emotion के साथ उन्होंने सब किया. He started shrinking his tumor. That was surprise for me. Within 20 days, doctor was also surprised. Your tumor is getting started shrinking. And total
Wow.
family was so happy. They were like, without following 100%, we are getting such result. If we followed 100%, what would be the result?
True.
So I connected with him. And why I could connect with him? Because I applied all these holistic nutrition principles that we have learned now how to treat people emotionally, psycho-emotional problem, right?
Right.
Psycho-emotional causes of any diseases, if you remember that chapter, right?
I am also new to the course and learning it.
Yeah, you will come to know about psycho-emotional causes of disease. So in that you
Yeah.
have to treat the person at emotional level. So
Wow.
automatically one connection.
Shika, one thing. Actually, Priya is treating one such case.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
I
Trying
mean,
my best, sir.
yeah.
So Priya,
Tomorrow,
you just connect with him, na? With emotionally, automatically
tomorrow,
everything.
tomorrow's Monday live, we are going to discuss that particular case only. And all the cases, and somebody posted, Sirisha posted a few questions, all of them are related. Okay, about relationships and what women are facing, how do we counsel them. So I thought of doing tomorrow that particular session only. And she is doing wonderful. Priya is able to
Thank you,
handle.
sir.
I mean, the client is older than her mother.
Right, sir.
Okay, and she is counseling, and she started listening and applying the principles that are taught by Priya. Okay, that's wonderful. Yeah. Any other questions?
Hello? Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Nazwa, go ahead.
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Nazwa is first. Next is Yogita.
Okay, sir.
Yes. I just want to say, actually, the metaphysical causes of diseases is my passion, is like literally my passion, much more than nutrition. And I'm always divided into, which path I am more interested in, which path I'm more passionate about, and which one I should, be more involved in. And now because I didn't know exactly what you mean, like what is your take on holistic nutrition, how you do it. And now when I heard Shikha saying that she talking about the causes of disease, I'm like, what? This is just amazing. I'm like, I feel like I am by divine grace, I am attracted to this course. It came to my the NAP WhatsApp group just for me to see. I don't think there are any NAPs here, I don't know,
No,
but
no, a lot of NEPs are there.
others there. But I swear that is absolutely my passion, because everything has the sources in the mind and in the beliefs. And whenever, like, for example, I don't know if this is what you teach as well, for example, the PCOS, I tell people, do you feel you're the man in the house? Do you feel you have to be the one who takes control of your house? Do you need to be manly in your life? And that is the main, anyway, from other teachings. So if I can put all those two together, like, you made my day. That's all. I'm just so excited that I needed to share. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you for your attendance.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Yogita, is that you?
Sir, are the cases of ankylosing spondylitis and arthritis can be effectively solved by using holistic nutrition?
Of course. Spondylitis and arthritis, definitely.
Yes, ankylosing spondylitis and arthritis. Because madam, हम देखते हैं तो in normal MSc nutrition and allopathy को अगर mix करो, फिर भी patients are not effectively cured.
See, arthritis is what? Arthritis is stiffness in the body, right?
Yes.
So stiffness in the body is restrictions in the movement.
Yes.
And when you restrict your emotions and when you criticize the people, that is the psycho-emotional cause for the arthritis. Because I am treating such people and I am observing the people who are having arthritis, I just treat their psycho-emotional history. I take their psychological history, and definitely it comes up with that they are treated. They are people who are very resist to change. They are very dominating. They used to criticize the people. It is their negative emotions which is restricting them for further movement. Okay, so this is a psycho-emotional causes, but sir will tell in much better way. So you
But
carry on.
excuse me, I'm sorry to say, but if the person is not under that psycho-emotional negative thought, he is very positive and very active, then ma'am.
No, you have to work. Once you treat up, that's why this course, here the course started. Here the HNTP course was, right? Here the see, my job client, that cancer client, he was having too much of resistance to change. Okay, a cancer is what? Tumor, right? Extra growth in your body. That is also criticism and that resistance to change, right? He is also very dominating, but still he started shrinking his this thing, tumor within 20 days. Why did it happen?
No, but that's a wonderful explanation, Shika. Yogita, let me tell you this. So, for how long you know this particular patient you're talking about, ankylosing spondylitis?
Sir, he is my close relative. I know him from sir बचपन से मैं जानती हूँ.
Okay. Okay. So, what happens with our close relatives or friends or whatever people we know and the clients we see? If we are talking about the clients, we know very little about them, who they are, right?
Yeah.
What they
Yeah.
are made up of. When it comes to close relatives and friends, when they are interacting with us, right? The only thing that will show you in them is they're the best version. What they are inside, we never know. Okay. So psycho-emotional analysis is only part of holistic nutrition, right? We try to look into the different aspects. As in holistic nutrition, all the coaches are trained into looking into the 7 aspects of a patient. There are 7 areas of life. So if there is an imbalance in a particular area or having a certain kinds of behaviors or patterns or deep-rooted belief systems, we need to identify that. And in our program, we call that as areas to address. Okay. So if we can identify, I mean, it's a lot of work. We are not going to change that. Okay, you need to change your thought process and you are going to get better. No, it is not that straightforward. Had you observed what Shika told, every time she is mentioning, I spoke to this client for 2 hours, I spoke to this client for 1 hour, 3 hours. Okay, why they are able to? Why would a person will speak to a complete stranger for 2 hours? So the first thing is, you as a counselor changed. Shika as a counselor before HNTP has changed. And now she is willing to listen to the story of the client. What created that particular problem? When she is listening, when she started listening more and more to the client's story, she will identify those problems. Okay, everything is good in this area, but this is where the patient is stuck, right? And as she rightly pointed out, stiffness, unable to move, not being flexible in certain aspects. I'm not saying in everything. He may be very good in relationships and rest of the things, but maybe he is stiff in certain belief system in rest of the 6 areas of his life. Got it?
Okay.
So as a coach, you get to know in which area of his life he is having that restricted belief patterns. Yes, with holistic nutrition, I mean, it's a huge course. I mean, you will get close to 200 hours of content, right? If you are willing, just like as Shika said, she'll be a lifelong student, she'll be listening to thousands of hours of classes going forward. So it is a process and it is possible. It is possible to answer your question simply. If you learn the principles of holistic practice, it is possible to cure. Because I personally have seen, I mean, I helped people suffering with rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis and polymyositis, right? Polymyositis is an extreme form of rheumatoid arthritis.
Okay.
They have reversed their condition. It is quite possible, and you don't have to do extraordinary things. Only thing is you try to understand how your body works, how your immune system physiology works, and how your emotions work, what are thoughts, belief systems, memories, deep-rooted patterns, all these things. Once you get to know them, you know where the imbalance is. All you need to do is use right kind of tools to correct them.
So it means I need your guidance under you. I want to treat that my close relative.
Yeah, I mean, but you can do it on your own. I mean, learn on your own, read books. I mean, I read close to 1,000 books on this. Right?
Okay.
So, and I've been reading, and I mean, we have a book review session also. I mean, I keep giving them books. And how many books are there on your table right now, Shika?
Okay, sir.
Actually, I have so many books, so I can name it out. You can heal your life, and Deepak Chopra ka Ageless Body, Timeless Mind, and Body Nirvana, then You Are the Placebo. All these are books just lying on my table. I just read Intuitive Eating, whatever book you name, all these books are just lying on my table here and there. And whenever I go here and there, I just read that book.
Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah. I think, Yogita, I hope we answered your query.
yeah, sir, but sir, I want to mail you for further information and for further guidance, sir, because for this session, I think it will be time is very less to discuss with you. So,
Mhm.
sir, can I mail you or something like?
Yeah, but there is a WhatsApp group and I opened it for discussion. You can post your queries or directly contact me on the admin number and I'll get back to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Sartaj, yeah,
This
please.
is Sartaj. Yeah. So how much time does it take to reverse a particular disease? Like if we go for an holistic approach, like do we need to keep the patient for 3 months, 6 months with us? Like how much time it goes for counsel them and teach them the exact process to get that positivity or positive mindset in them?
Yeah, Shika.
Yeah. So it depends on the severity and the time, how long you are doing. Can you just repeat which problem? I could not hear it properly.
No,
No,
any
what he was
disease. I'm
asking
just
is how
talking
long
in
does it
general.
take for a person? How long does it take for a person having a problem to reverse it? How long does it take?
Acha. It depends upon the person's resistance. First, you have to treat the person. I told you, you need not to go directly for the disease. First, treat the person. See where he resists, that area to address. There are 7 areas to address, right? So first, we have to treat that. Okay. If any person is, see the severity, see the long, from how long he is suffering from, how much medicine he has to, what history he is having. Okay. And after that, we can see his psycho-emotional causes, and we have to go to depth of his emotions, and we have to treat it emotionally and where areas to address, in which area he is lacking.
Yes.
So accordingly, it depends upon that person. If person is resistant, see, I have 2 to 3 clients who are resist to change, who are not accepting only. They are not accepting that they are having problem. If person is not open up, if person is not accepting, then how will you solve that problem? So first you have to sensitize that person to accept the problem. Okay. So it depends upon person to person. It may take 2 months, it may 3 months. You need minimum 3 months to change, reverse any disease. Minimum 3 months. If person collaborate with you properly, then it takes minimum 3 months.
Yeah.
And maximum, it depends upon the person, how much he apply your knowledge, how much you treat him, how much you can gel with him and treat his problem. Minimum 3 months is required. 90 days is minimum you require.
Right.
Okay. And I have one more question.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
So like holistic nutrition, what I've heard before is like they have some breathing practices and some therapies like which meditation or something like that. So is it just counseling or are there some therapies also in holistic nutrition which are taught, or it's just diagnosis or counseling? That way I'm asking.
Yeah, let me take that. So here I'll be teaching you the principles, right, of health and sickness, and how sickness comes in and how a disease is manifested. And we'll also be discussing different tools to solve those problems. What are the different tools that you can employ? So the things that you are mentioning are called tools. So tools, which tool works for which kind of problem, you will come to know only when you understand the problem and the cause of the problem, right?
Okay.
Not everything you can use the same tool. Okay, there are at different levels. That is the reason why we have like 6 to 7 chapters and 26 lessons and every week live sessions to discuss those issues. Okay.
Okay.
So it is not that, okay, if somebody is incorporating yoga with diet, it is also called holistic nutrition. If somebody is
Okay.
incorporating diet plus exercise plus pranayam, it is also called holistic. And your Ayurvedic diet and nutrition plan exercise, it is also called holistic nutrition. But here, when we are saying holistic nutrition training program, so we are creating holistic practice approach. We are teaching the holistic approach and the theory behind it. So whatever tool I am teaching my coaches, my students, I give them the scientific background. Okay, yeah, pranayam karo and you will be solved. No, what is pranayam? What is happening to your lungs? What is happening in alveoli when you take this rhythmic breathing? How it changes the mitochondrial structure? I mean, the mitochondrial number, the concentration, everything. So that comes in our chapter number 5, where we discuss transformational tools. Okay, so the course is structured in that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, good evening. I would like to just add one point here. Sir, Sandhya here.
Yeah, hi Sandhya.
Yes, sir. So Mr. Sardarj asked about the duration of the change of, the duration of the change of any disease or any condition. So before that, the person who really wants to change should have that interest to change.
Yes.
So that shows his interest. As Shika mentioned earlier, in that cancer patient, she could see the change in days time and weeks time only. So
Yes.
it is all subjective, and it is all related to the interest level and his dedication towards the interventions that we give to implement that. So it is all dependent on his interest of putting the effort from his side.
Wonderful,
So
wonderful.
the change is all his perspective. We may see the change in a week time or a day's time, or if we are seeing it a prolonged time, maybe it is something related of his disinterestedness or something which is triggering him to not to follow the interventions. So it is all subjective and individualized that a change can see a person.
Right. Excellent, excellent, Sandhya. Just to give the
Thank you, all of you.
Yeah, just to give you the perspective, Sandhya is one of the coaches, and she joined in July month itself, and she was there since the beginning. And the reason why she mentioned that was, Sandhya, just like Shika and the rest of the coaches, is known for her marathon history taking sessions. She called me up one day and said, "Sir, I took history, and that particular person talked for 2.5 hours non-stop." And she is also very good at follow-up. And one particular female client, she is not like following and not able to take the calls and not getting back. And she persisted. So, and finally she is able to see the result, and she brought her HbA1c come down from 8 to 6, right? So she knows, I mean, she is speaking from her own experience, Sartaj, for that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sandhya. Thank you for that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir William Osler, he's a Canadian physician. He is considered father of modern medicine. So he said, what's happening in a patient's mind is more important than what a microbe is doing in his lungs. He said this almost 200 years back, right? So in holistic nutrition, we'll be treating the person along with their conditions. If we start treating the patient, automatically the disease will take care of itself. So I am not completely talking about psychiatry or psychology or this particular thing. As a nutritionist, if you are talking about the food part, we are talking about changing their food behavior. So to change the food behavior, you just write a diet prescription and don't think that the client is going to follow the diet to the letter. Your prescription, don't expect that to change. So we need to change the person. See, how many of you are interested in becoming holistic nutrition coaches?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the holistic nutrition training program. And in this, we have basically 6 chapters, right? First one is about introduction to holistic nutrition practice. In this, you will learn overview of the program, how it is different from clinical nutrition, and what it takes, and why holistic nutritionists are paid more. Okay, so this is the first chapter. And the second chapter, we'll be looking at some of the fundamental principles of nature. For example, what is health? I mean, how a holistic nutritionist or a coach sees health. Okay, and here you will have videos like this. right? And this particular video is for 47 minutes, and people can keep asking their questions, and they can have discussions on that. And after every lesson in every chapter, once the lesson is posted, we'll have a live discussion on that particular topic every Monday. By default, it is 3 to 4 p.m. Even if you don't are not able to attend that particular session, you will be provided with the record. Say, for example, health is by design, not by default. Once you go through that particular lesson, I mean, there are like comments on that. Then people ask questions. Those questions will be discussed in the live session. So we have 3 lessons like this: 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. And every lesson has got this live session associated with it. Like that, we have chapter number 3, the genesis of illness, where we discuss physical and physiological causes, psycho-emotional causes of the illness, part 1, 2, 3. And there are like metaphysical causes and spiritual causes for which there is no clear-cut cause identified. So how do we deal with that particular causes? So doctors, they don't know what could be the reason for that. And next we have from chapter number 4. In here we have how to take the case history, the curious case of your client, how it is different from those of you who did the mini course. You might be having the case sheet, sample case sheet here in this lesson, and we have certain universal principles that guide human behavior and how to read the story of your client. This is what we discussed, the areas to address. This is chapter number 4. Okay. And chapter number 5, as I said, is the transformational tools, the tools that you apply. If there are certain things that needs to be deleted from a patient's or a person's life, how do we delete those belief systems, delete those behaviors, what are the tools that we use, and how to format or prepare their mindset to implant or reprogram, and what are the tools that we use to reprogram those particular behaviors. This is transformational tools. And in applied nutrition, what we do is we discuss case studies. For example, here is the case discussion on obesity and hypothyroidism, and there are live sessions and Q&A sessions on that particular case, and different cases will be discussed here, and different diseases, how you need to look into the that particular disease holistically. For example, how a holistic nutritionist sees obesity or diabetes or hypothyroidism, for that matter, cancer. All these things will be discussed in the applied nutrition of the program. The 7 is miscellaneous. I mean, all the coaches, I mean, they keep asking me questions on clinical nutrition and some other things, and we keep adding those things. This is the core subject. I mean, these 6 chapters, which have 26 lessons, is the core syllabus that one has to complete. Okay. And this is miscellaneous. This is totally optional. And the bonus content is also optional. Here, we'll be discussing things like Ayurveda or faith healing or energy healing, and the business aspects of it, how to create courses and how to do corporate wellness. And there are so many things that we discuss in this bonus section. This is totally optional, whether you want to do it or not, but it is available to you for complete 1 year. Okay. And we have additional resources as well, where I discuss different books that as a coach you are supposed to read. Okay. And every book is discussed in detail for almost like 20 minutes. And these are uploaded, and we have discussions on that particular books as well. Here we discussed Louis Hayes, You Can Heal Your Life. Similarly, the plan is by the time you complete your course, you will come to know about 52 books, right? A book every week, which will help you to become a better coach, to understand the disease well. So this is the course is all about.